Hey guys, it's an electronic writing pad and it's specially used by kids for learning purpose and writing purpose. Hi, I'm Mubashir Aziz from the platform of Kim Books, and today I'll tell you about the features of a writing pad. It's an LCD writing pad and I'll be discussing its features, its price, its source and other things, and especially its unboxing. So guys, here is our LCD writing tablet along with its stylus pen. It comes in number of colors such as red, green, blue and black, and it's specially used for writing purposes. Mostly used by children, and most of the parents buy it for their children for the creative purposes. And main theme of this product is it can save up to 1 lakh, that means 100,000 papers, so reducing the pollution, reducing the cut down of trees, hence saving environment. If we talk about the power source of this LCD writing tablet, then we come across that we have a small inlet in its sideways which comprise almost a small cell, a single small cell, which is mostly used in our hand wrist watches. Fortunately, this LCD writing tablet comes with an included cell and it's in ready to use position. Then we come across that its size varies, but specifically this display is about 8.5 inches. If you can see on a screen that if I write here just A, B and C, then you can come across that this writing is glowed in the darkness. When we put it into the darkness or a medium shade light, then this type of text glows up. For example, we write here STAR or something that state and state. Whatever we write, everything is so much glowy and written in a very free-handedly manner. So similarly just like a blackboard or whiteboard the children can use, and every time they write they can make amendment and edits by just making an erase button push. Here is the erase button you can see on your screens. Just push it down and all the writings will be erased from it. There is another feature of this LCD writing tablet is that if you write something and you don't want to erase it, then you must go through its backside which has a lock button inserted. If you push that button, then it will result in that even you press the erase button many times, no text will be removed. If I write and then push that lock button, then nothing will be changed. If we write something again and again, then we push this button repeatedly, no changes in our text will be appeared on the screen. Another feature, it gathers that it is just as eye-friendly as the Amazon Kindle ebook reading device, because the children are doing work for more than 2, 3 or 4 hours. So there is a hazard of eye problems and eyesight issues. So this company has designed this product in such a way that it doesn't harms our natural sight and it's very comfortable for our eyes. So guys, if we talk about the price of this product, then for the overseas and all over the world, the price of this product is $10. But if we talk specifically about the Pakistan country, then this device is almost for 1000 rupees. In last, if I tell you about the sources to buy this product, then go to the description of this video and you will find a link to buy this product. If you are from Pakistan, you can buy this product by just contacting on the number given above the screen. That's for the WhatsApp. So guys, if you like the video, then you can like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell button so that most of the videos get attention of yours. Thank you.